So I'm going to do my best to show you around this absolutely huge boat. Behind us is like the lounge area. You can already see the amazing Red Sea behind me. Let's head on down to the bow. Right, heading down to our favourite part of the boat, the dive deck. So here we keep our tanks, we keep all of our equipment for the whole week, and then every day we kit up here, put all of our stuff on, all of our wetsuits, and then literally walk down to that platform and jump straight into the Red Sea. It is amazing. Now let's head to the dining area. So of course we eat our 3 meals a day. This is where we hang out and eat all of our meals, served by the amazing crew, buffet every single day. Now let's head down to the rooms. Alright, so there are 12 rooms on this boat for the guests. There's also quite a lot for the staff as well. And each of them are for 2 people. So whether that be a double for a couple or some friends, or 2 singles, which is the one I have here. So the room a little bit better, so you can kind of get an idea of what the room situations look like sleeping on a boat for 7 days. So ours is obviously very messy. There's 2 of us in here now, but you can see those beds are pretty big, to be fair. And you've got this nice little window, so you can look out into the sea every morning. TV, guys. Not that anyone ever needs a TV. And you've got your own bathroom, sink, and again you can see the Red Sea as you shower, and there's a shower there. So it does, as you can see, have everything you need to live in for the week quite comfortably. Massive hallway, you get to hang out with everybody. The great thing about being on a liveaboard is you do become friends with everyone super quickly, because you're basically living in each other's pockets, but you're still comfortable enough. Always somewhere on the boat you can go if you want to be alone. Now this is another loungy area, but this is where we will do our dive briefings, any presentations that we do on the big TV, and also where the bar is. So yeah, there is a bar on most liveaboards, as you can see here. So actually every single day there's snacks on the bar, there's juice, there's drinks, soft drinks, everything is included. You have to pay for alcohol, and obviously you can't have that while you're diving. So you have to wait until after your dive day is finished to enjoy some of the local alcohol, which in Egypt isn't really a thing. One more place to show you on this boat. Let's head upstairs. Now we are on the sun deck. Lots and lots of sunbeds. Top up your tan to relax. I can't see a thing, it's so bright here in Egypt. And just basically check out the view. You can see there's actually another liveaboard there behind us, smaller, not as good as ours. But just from here you can actually see the reef where everyone is diving at the moment. So one of the great things about being on a liveaboard is that you literally get to come right up to the dive site, kit up in your own time, your own luxuries around you, and jump straight in. No carrying tanks, no carrying equipment, no waiting around for other people. The sea is our playground and this boat is our home. So I hope I've given you a little bit of an insight to what it looks like